To cancel your AirTalk Wireless service, you have two main options: closing your line or porting out your number. Closing your line deactivates your service and makes your phone number unusable. This is straightforward via your online account, mobile app, or by calling 1-800-523-1125. Porting out transfers your number to another carrier. This requires obtaining a porting authorization code, or PAC, from AirTalk and providing it to your new carrier. Canceling is free if done via self-service, but be aware of any outstanding balances to avoid extra charges. AirTalk's website and app are the primary tools. To close your line, first log into your AirTalk account online or through the app. Navigate to Account Settings or Manage Services in your account dashboard. Select Cancel Service and confirm your choice. You'll receive a confirmation email, and your line will deactivate within 24 to 48 hours. For porting out, start by getting your porting authorization code from AirTalk. Contact your new carrier with the PAC and your personal details. AirTalk will process the port, usually within 1 to 2 business days. Pay any outstanding balance before porting to prevent issues. Porting preserves your number, but is irreversible. Remember to back up contacts and data, as cancellation erases service history.